can see it, but the sea has uncovered. All those rocks are usually underwater. Yeah, this is going on in Peru.
Stay off the beaches, out of the water, and out of the harbor. Thank you. Attention to the area. This is the Orange County Sheriff's Department. This is a tsunami advisory.
Y'all can come in the patio. Seriously. Jesus. All right. Well, here's my front door. Here is the wave. Here are my lovely neighbors. Hello, world. We are surviving the tsunami. Out here in Pacifica, I can tell you it is happening, y'all. It is happening.
Good yourself.
That's my boat behind. We had no warning at all. There was no alarms or anything.
There's no warning from civil defence, nothing, no sirens.
People were running down the piers, banging on their boats, telling them to get out. They had no idea that this was happening. And they popped their heads out of their boat to see a red catamaran going over the top of my boat. Yeah, literally took the flybridge clean off it as it went over the top. So that is a force of nature that is incredible.